My name's Mo, and just like you, I read, watch and download stuff online, free. But then, I met an advertising man, and he said,
Free? You're paying for all those free apps and websites by seeing my hyper-targeted digital advertising.
holy moly, he's right, we're spied on. We give away our precious time and attention, and all we get back is annoying adverts. So I created Magic Myne. You download it to your iPhone, and then all your valuable data bypasses the admin and goes straight to your Magic Myne data vault. No more spammy advertising. You choose the brands you trust and want to hear from, and you get the offers you really want. Magic Myne. Control your data and turn the tables on bad advertising.